Hello. Welcome to our channel, Mathematics Resource Center. Pause the video, read through the question, and we are ready to begin when you are. The volume in centimeter cube of a cube of a 3 centimeter is. So now we're asked to find volume. The first thing that we want to do is to pull up the cube. Pulling up a cube. Now looking at the cube, trying to visualize a cube if you don't have a physical cube to look at. What do you know about a cube? We know that the length times the height, the length and the height and the width are all the same. So if the edge is 3 centimeter, that means the length, the height, and the width is 3 centimeter. Alright, what's the formula for finding volume of a cube? It is length cube, or length times length times length. So let's put that in. We know that the length is 3. So volume equal 3 cube. What is 3 cube? 3 times 3 times 3. What is 3 times 3? 9. Times 3, 27. That means our answer is C. And that brings us to the end of our video. Remember to like and subscribe.